Now that we're done creating our silhouette, we're going to use our gold FX to create our first guideline. Be sure not to press too hard with the trimmers, you don't want to make a harsh guideline. We're also making sure we contour to the head shape. We want to make sure his fade fits him. Now that we're done budding him out, we're going to start off with our no guard all the way open, creating our second guideline. We're then going to use the guard midway and all the way close to help us remove that initial guideline we created with our trimmers. Just a little tip, make sure to stretch your skin as much as possible with the opposite hand. It gives you more range to blend. Now that we're done erasing our initial guideline, we can move on to our one guard all the way open and create our third guideline. We're also going to use the lever midway and all the way close to help soften up this line, getting us ready for the half guard. If you guys are enjoying the video, leave a like, comment, subscribe. It's greatly appreciated. Thank you. Now that we're done softening up the line with the one guard, we can move on to our half guard and erase the line completely. Now that we're done with our lower guards, we're going to move on to our two guard all the way open and create our fourth guideline. We're also going to use this same guard with the lever midway and all the way close to help soften it up and get ready for the 1.5 guard. Now that we're done softening up the line with the 2 guard and its lever, we're going to move on to the 1.5 guard to erase it completely. This is going to connect the lower guards to the higher guards through the mid fade. Moving on to our 3 guard all the way open, we're going to make sure we feed the hair into the clipper using the comb and flick out as much as possible, since we are getting into the higher guards and we're also reaching the end of the silhouette. We're going to go back to our 2 guard all the way open and detail the fade. Moving on to the back of the fade, we're going to start off with our no guard all the way open and then move on to our 1 guard all the way open. Using our no guard all the way open, midway, and close is going to help us erase that initial guideline we created with our Gold FX. Since we're done softening up the line with the 1 guard all the way open, midway, and close, we can move on to our half guard and erase the line completely. Now that we're done with the lower guards, we can move on to our 2 guard all the way open and create our 3rd guideline. We're also going to be using the lever midway and all the way close to help soften up this line, getting it ready for the half guard. Now that the line is soft enough with our 2 guard, we're going to move on to our 1.5 guard, and we're going to be able to erase the line completely using this guard and this lever. Sometimes there's still a faint line after using your 1.5 guard, so switching over to your 1 guard all the way open will definitely help erase it completely. you guys can see, the fade's coming in, man. We're just detailing as much as possible, making sure everything's nice and blurry.